Good morning, good morning. What a splendid day. It is 29th of September and here I am in this beautiful surrounding, beautiful nature. As you can see, I am pretty red. That is because I jogged for 20 minutes. And you see, I still wear this brace. It's because of the ganglion I have in the place that obstructs the movement of the base and the muscles that bound this part with this part. Nevertheless, I have to take rest for 3 weeks, yes indeed, so I cannot train my upper body, but hey, I can still do a lot of exercises without using this part of the body and even the arms. So today we have some legs exercises, so come along. We do the lunges. Make sure that you have a good position, correct position of your back, and of course the stability. You can repeat this for 3 sets. Stay stable, core tight, back right, straight, I mean. Make sure that your knees are not moving, so find the right and good position. Oops. Stability. The squats, and I'm using this elastic band, so you can do like this, you can do like this, whatever. Your back straight, core tight, and let's sit. You can do about 12 or 15. It's a beautiful day. Here is always busy, a crowd with people and dogs, as you can hear. Beautiful park. Well, we can do this one if we want. Jumping jacks. Also good. Also this one, and one leg jumping. The other leg. As you can see, it's important to have core tight and the whole body. Whew. You will feel it, absolutely, you will feel it. About 20 times, 3 sets. You will feel it. For this exercise, let's see. It's a little bit slithering here. It's wet. This. Up. This one is also very good, both or separately. or both. Very effective. You feel it. We can also train the abdominals. I'm gonna do like this because I don't want to put pressure on this dummy. So I'm gonna do like this, and we can do like this, for example, or on the side. You feel it? Absolutely. We can do like this for obliques. For obliques, you feel it? Very good exercise. This one is also good. And repeat 10-15 times and 3 sets. That is all for today. I liked to show you exercises which you can do as well at home, outside, in the gym. You choose. Just do it, just move it. Take care of your body, your heart and your mind, of course. But don't forget, stay good, stay classy, and stay sporty.